Hello, welcome to my introduction to Google Classroom for students. So the first thing that you want to do is go to classroom.google.com. Make sure that you are logged in with your school account. And at the top, you'll see a plus sign. You'll click on that plus sign and select to join a class. Your teacher will give you the class code, and you will enter that class code. Once you've entered that classroom, you will see the name of the class on the top left. You will see the tabs for the class. You have access to the stream, the classwork tab, and to the different people that are in your class. Also on this homepage, you will see any upcoming assignments that you'll be able to view. And of course, this is the stream, and you can see that we are on that screen right now. When you click on the classwork tab, you'll be able to access the calendar. That's going to show you all of the assignments for your different classes and their due dates. You'll also be able to access the class drive folder. All of the work that you do for your Google Classroom automatically creates a folder that syncs with your Google Drive. So if anything is missing or you need to directly locate something, you can click on the folder page and that will take you there as well. On the classwork tab is where you'll be able to view your work, any assignments that you have. The posted assignments and materials are found there. If you click on View Your Work on the classwork tab, you will be able to filter that work by assignments that were assigned to you, that were returned with a grade, or any missing work that you need to turn in. And you will see right now we have a practice assignment with an attachment. It is due on May 25th at 6 p.m. and the status is that it has been assigned. So this View Your Work gives you a nice little overview of the assignments for that class. And of course, you can filter them so that you can see any assignments that are missing. When you click on an assignment, you will see the assignment name. The name of this assignment is Practice Work. You will see any attachments. So here it has a Google Doc that is attached to it. And you will see the due date and the due time if one has been set by the teacher. And of course, here is our status. This has been assigned. You must click on View Assignment to access that work. Now, when you click on View Assignment, your work is over here on the right. So I can see that I've been assigned a Google Doc. It's added my name to it. It is a value of 100 points. And again, it shows me when it is due, the date and the time if that has been set. If you have any questions for the class about this assignment, you can post those comments here. All of your classmates will be able to read and post comments on this question. If you have a comment just for the teacher, then you would go here to private comments, and that's going to be a private communication just with the teacher. This is where you'll also turn in your assignment. And if you have anything that you need to add, maybe you needed to take a screenshot of work that you've done on paper, or you needed to add in a slideshow or any other assignment, you can add that or create it directly from this assignment by clicking on the Add or Create. If you do need to add a picture of a worksheet or a drawing or a math assignment, then here's a video that's going to show you how to do that. All right, now if you have work that is landscape oriented, where the page is horizontal and it's wider than it is tall, then I recommend that you use the webcam on your laptop or Chromebook. If your work is portrait oriented, where it's taller rather than wider, which is the typical way that we write on a sheet of loose leaf paper, then I recommend that you use the Google Classroom app on a cell phone. That way it will be oriented vertically in portrait mode, and the picture and the image will be much more clear So let's watch a video on how to do that. So this is using my cell phone. I will click on the Google Classroom app, go to my class. This one is titled Training Class. I'll click on Classwork at the bottom, and I will see the practice work assignment. When I open that up, I'll see a button that says Add Attachment. Using my camera, allow it to use your camera. Take a picture. If it's good, use that image. If it's not, of course, you can retake. And then you wait for that image to load. And of course, that speed will be based on your internet connection. Once that image loads, you will now see it attached to this assignment. So now I have the Google Doc that the teacher assigned me, and I can see the image of my practice work. And so now I'm going to turn that in, and now the teacher will have access to the document that was assigned, plus the image that I have added to that assignment. So hopefully that will help you to be able to see that. Now, when I go to my to-do list, I can see that that assignment, that practice lesson, is now listed under done, the practice work. And here's my score. The teacher has given me a grade on that assignment. Okay. When you click Turn In, you're going to get a new message asking you, and you see the pop-up right down here. Turn in your work. You have one attachment. So this is when I did not have that practice image that was submitted on there. So I'm just turning in the document that the teacher assigned me. So you'll definitely want to click Turn In again. And now, when I view my work, the status of this assignment has changed from being assigned to turned in. And then once the teacher has given you a grade on that assignment and returned it to you, it will be listed under Returned with a Grade, and you'll be able to see your grade on that assignment. All right, a couple of little shortcuts that are going to help you access your work. If you click on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left next to the class name, you'll be able to access all of the classes that you have joined. You will also be able to access your calendar. That gives you a nice overview of your assignments and their due dates. And you'll be able to click on the To-Do button that will be able to filter your work according to work that has been assigned, missing, turned in, returned with a grade, things like that. So that's a nice way for you to quickly see what work you have to do. And of course, if you have any questions about this, please ask your teacher, and I'm sure that he or she will be happy to help you.